13-hour drive.
13 to the Texas Panhandle. It's like, who hit the lock button?
Come on, everybody, let's go. And then it's like, oh, we can't go anywhere, not yet.
Yep, we're gonna have to go sit back down and have another cup of coffee.
Yep, sit down for another hour.
Yeah, I have that app. You know, there's an app, but it said my car was on battery saver or something, so it wouldn't do. I don't know.
Let's see.
I'm so happy to see you.
How you doing? Let's see. I don't see the security light on. Battery savers. Oh, one thing. Let's do this before we get.
Left his car running. He must be thinking he's gonna do it quick.
Oh yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Quicker than you think. Once I get set up.
Do you come from Baton Rouge?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh wow.
Come a long ways.
Yeah, I travel as well. I normally go all the way to Osaka. I'm in Macomb. I travel. Yeah, I'm the traveling roadside guy.
We're thankful you're up and
Well, I
out
hope
this
people
morning.
appreciate
I hope they do too. I think she is gonna be.
you. She has a 13-hour drive.
That's what she told me. I said, wow. 13 and y'all, you're ready to go, and then you realize you can't go nowhere.
Everything's packed and in there. Ice chest and lunch.
Ready for the road. Now,
You ever been out there, like, to Texas that far?
Love it.
It's
I
like
haven't.
Abilene, Amarillo up there.
The furthest I've been, well, I've been to San Antonio, but as far as like in there, Killeen is like the furthest.
Okay, by Austin. Kind
Yeah.
of. Yeah, that's still about 5 or 6 hours.
It's still a little ways from you. All right, let's see. Here we go. This is where the magic happens. Nice fit. Okay.
That's pretty amazing.
And let's see which one we want to use. We're going to use this one. Okay. And we go from here.
There it goes. Look at
Thank you
that.
so much. You are an angel. I mean, oh, don't let it shut
No,
back.
no, we're not gonna shut it. We're not gonna shut it. All right, let's do that. It must get your keys and see if it'll start. Yeah, if it's on power saving mode, we may have to see what's going on.
Hoping the keys are in there.
Here we go, got 'em.
Yeah, she got them.
My husband's up there holding it.
Okay, so the battery died as well.
I wonder how the battery died.
I'm not sure.
Well, we've got Ben's jumper cable.
We bought some brand new jumper cables.
I got it. I'll take care of it.
You take care of it?
Yeah, just pop the hood for me. I don't want it to close on you. There you go. Okay.
You need me to close my car to do it?
No.
Turn the battery down. Does that happen sometimes when it's
That's no.
low?
Yeah, that shouldn't have happened. We'll take a look at a couple of things once we get it started and see. Maybe someone left something on the inside. Let's hope not. Let's get this off first. We don't want you looking like you're some kind of target or something. Okay.